In this video, I'll show you 5 easy steps to use ElevenLabs for making professional voiceovers for your courses. To get started, you need a script that sounds good when spoken. Use short, clear sentences and break up long ideas. Think about how someone would hear it, maybe while walking or watching slides. If you're using notes from PowerPoint or another lesson, change the words so they sound natural out loud. Try reading your script to yourself or use tools like ChatGPT to help make your words clear and simple. A good tip is to take a few slides from an old lesson and turn the main points into 2 or 3 sentences each. This helps you practice making your script easy to listen to. Recommendation number 2. Choose a voice in ElevenLabs that fits your lesson. There are lots of voices, like calm, fun, or even ones that sound like you. Pick one that matches your topic and your students. Try out 2 different voices by making samples of your intro. Ask a friend or classmate which one sounds best. This helps you find the right style for your course. Remember, in Step 5, you'll learn how to save your favorite voices and use them again for future lessons. That makes your work much faster. And number 3, paste your script into ElevenLabs, pick your voice, and click to make your audio. It only takes a few seconds to get your voiceover. Listen to the audio and check if it sounds clear and not too fast or slow. If it sounds weird, change a few words and try again. You can use free tools like Audacity to cut out long pauses or fix the volume. For each lesson or topic, make a separate audio clip. This makes it easier to edit and match with your slides later. We'll talk more about why this is important in Step 5. Number 4. Add your audio to your lesson slides or videos. Use tools like Google Slides or Canva to match the voiceover with your pictures or animations. Make sure the audio lines up with what's on the screen. Test your lesson on different devices to see if everything works smoothly. Don't use too many effects or sounds that might distract your students. Keep your audio and slides organized by naming them clearly. This helps you find things quickly and makes updating lessons much easier. Finally, build a library of voiceover clips you can use again and again. Save common parts like introductions, instructions, or review prompts in folders. Having a voiceover library means you can update or create courses faster. It also helps you keep your lessons sounding the same, even if you make changes or teach new topics. Organize your clips by topic or type, such as introductions, explanations, or quiz instructions. This way, you can quickly grab what you need for new lessons without starting over. As a recap, here are 5 easy steps to make e-learning voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Write your script for speaking, pick the best voice, create and edit your audio, sync it with your lessons, and build a reusable voiceover library. Each step helps you work faster and sound more professional. Try starting with just one lesson and see how much time you save. As you can see, there's a lot you can do to generate money using AI and other tools. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks.